Hi guys. Destroy 6 shooting range target in 10 seconds. Yeah, I will show you how to do it. I just did it, but that's why I want to make a video about that to help you guys. So what you need to do, you got here, choose your good
Guard
weapon,
duty, figure.
and don't destroy them. Just make them like this, all of them. Okay,
I'd rather be
and then
guarding
the
than
second. Just take your time, make them all of the 6 targets like this. Just don't destroy them. When you get them there, the last one is here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay. Now you reload your gun, and let's go. And that's it. That's how to do it. Enjoy, guys.